Looking for a reliable car jack that won't let you down when it matters most? Whether you're performing a tire change or a full undercar inspection, the right jack makes all the difference. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best car jacks you can buy right now based on durability, safety, lifting power, and user reviews. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5 is the ProLift 767. It can be hard to lift sports cars or luxury sedans because they're so low to the ground. The ProLift 767 is designed to lift cars 14 inches, even if they have a low clearance. The ProLift is a floor jack, so it's best for garages and paved surfaces. It's made of heavy-duty steel, includes a lever for lifting, and has a safety valve to prevent overloading the jack. Its weight capacity is 4,000 pounds, enough to cover sedans, small trucks, and SUVs. Its size is its biggest drawback. It takes up a lot of space in your trunk and weighs 30 pounds, so it might be hard to move to the ground. At number 4, we've got the big Red AT840R. Unless your vehicle is a military-grade tank, you'd be hard-pressed to find a car in your fleet that the Big Red can't lift. The Big Red has an impressive weight capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, and that shows with its heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced lift arm. Something we also liked about the Big Red is that though it is not advertised as a low-profile jack, it could feasibly be used for lower-profile vehicles. With a low height of 3.8 inches on its lowest setting and a max lift height of 20.5 inches, the lifting range is versatile enough for a variety of cars and strong enough to handle the heaviest of the lot. Taking third place is the Vaver Pneumatic jack. Sick and tired of watching the cost of living rise by inflation? Why not watch your vehicle rise by inflation with the Vaver Pneumatic jack instead? With an entirely different modus operandi, this jack requires a compressor to operate. Instructions are simple. Attach the compressor, slowly open the valve, and watch in awe as the air jack lifts at an impressive rate. Lifting and lowering the air jack at a variable rate took a bit of practice, but it is possible to create a custom height by carefully opening and closing the valves. The maximum height we measured was 15.8 inches. Plenty of room to lift the front vehicle for jack stands or a quick tire swap. All in all, we found the Vaver to be a delightful step away from the traditional car jack. It's quick, nimble, and light, making it a great addition to your track day gear. Coming in at number 2 is the Powerbuilt UniJack. If you're the type who values efficiency and convenience, the Powerbuilt UniJack combines a classic bottle jack and jack stand into one space-saving tool. In terms of safety features, the Powerbuilt was the one jack we tested that offered the most tactile safety feature, utilizing the familiar lock-drop mechanism we're used to seeing on jack stands and other hydraulic lifts. While we love the space-saving and safety features, the one downfall was the short lever, which resulted in a low pump-to-lift ratio. It took a whopping 46 pumps to get to the max height of 20.5 inches. If you're looking for a bright side, that means you could probably skip arm day at the gym. And topping our list at number 1 is the Blackhawk B6530 Fast Lift. If you're looking for a simple, everyday garage jack, the Blackhawk B6530 may be the one for you. After a simple setup, we were amazed by this 87-pound beast's lift per pump, with a mere 1.5 pumps of the arm raising the jack to full height under no load. During our tests, a Toyota Corolla was raised a generous 21.5 inches, providing ample space to slide 2 jack stands under the pinch welds. Additionally, the jack had the longest chassis design of the lot, making reaching the cross-member lifting point on our Corolla easy. Overall, we feel the Blackhawk is a straightforward car jack that's effective and easy to use. The dual-piston hydraulic system provides smooth and efficient lifting, so we believe this jack is a worthy investment for DIYers and professionals alike. So, there you have it, the top 5 car jacks. Be sure to check the link description below for the latest price and availability. Which jack would you trust with your ride? Drop your pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a gearhead guide from us.